Hello everyone, this is Kaushal Dhighavkar, sub-editor of Efficient Manufacturing magazine, and today at our Industry NXT 2025 event, we have Dr. Ravindra Utgikar with us. Hello sir.
Hello,
First of all,
Kaushal.
thank you for coming, sir.
My pleasure. Thank you for the invitation.
Yes. So my first question to you is like, how do you find the event, and what are your thoughts about the theme of the event?
So first of all, I'm absolutely thrilled to be at the event. The theme of the event is absolutely contemporary because AI is making sweeping changes across the industries, and manufacturing industry being at the forefront for driving national economic growth. It is very imperative that we discuss about how AI is transforming smart yet sustainable manufacturing. So I think this forum brings together thought leaders from academia, from industry, and also accomplished professionals who are going to share their diverse perspective. And I look forward to, as always, enriching my understanding of the subject and sharing some experiences that I have here.
Sir, as you rightly discussed in your panel discussion, that AI is changing the manufacturing landscape. So first thing I want to ask you about that is like how India can become a great manufacturing country by inculcating the AI and all those new platforms which are related to the manufacturing industry.
So I think this is a great question. We know that India has a great opportunity to become a developed economy by the centenary year 2047. For that to happen, manufacturing sector has to make a great leap and contributions. Today, the share of manufacturing is about 17% in India's GDP. And the government of India has a vision to take that share to 25% in a matter of next Amrut Kal period, which means that manufacturing sector will be able to contribute to the tune of $7.5 trillion when India becomes a $30 trillion economy by 2047. Coming back to this topic and this, so basically the journey for in artificial intelligence is three-pronged. First, we start with digitization, which is converting all analog data into digital data. Then we get into the digitalization, which is actually harnessing 9 different technologies which are evident in Industry 4.0 into the manufacturing process. And then we get into the journey of digital transformation. Now, India has a great opportunity to become a global manufacturing hub, especially with China Plus One strategies coming into the play after the COVID. In addition to that, government has set up national manufacturing mission, production linked incentives, Make in India campaigns, all is kind of tailwinds which is taking Indian manufacturing level sector to a next level of its growth. So I think the events and forums like this actually help bring about those small changes at a grassroots level, which in times to come will actually help India leap from a developing economy to a developed economy based on the strong backbone of manufacturing sector.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your work.
It is my pleasure.
Thank you so much, and I hope that you will be sharing those kinds of thought with us in the future.
Absolutely, I will. Thank you so much again for inviting. My pleasure.
Thank you.